Hey, hello everyone, and here is today's outline. First of all, I will introduce what is the warpage and what caused the warpage, what kind of thing we can do to improve the warpage, and following three different cases, we can learn from other users how they fix the warpage issues from their real case by using the simulations. Okay, what is the warpage? Warpage is kind of like bending or distortion in our part, and usually is caused by the differential shrinkage. And the differential shrinkage can caused by following four factors. The first one is the uneven temperature distributions, and also the uneven packing effect, and the fiber orientation, also the crystallinity rate. So if those factor is not even in the part, it will cause a uneven shrinkage and it will lead to the warpage issue. But it's not easy to modify our temperature directly or modify the packing directly. So later we will explain what kind of thing we can do to change the temperature distribution or packing effect or the others. Okay, here's an example about the temperature effect. So even the part is uniform and flat, and if we put a pool cooling system, for example, one side is hotter than the other side, and at the end we will receive a bending issue because the temperature distribution is not even, and the part usually will bend toward to the hotter side. Okay, the next one is about the packings. So we know that usually the region close to the gate will have a higher packing effect or higher cavity pressure in the packing stage, and the last field region or the region far away to the gate will have the lower cavity pressures, which means a lower packing effect